Piping design varies significantly across different industries, each presenting its own unique challenges. In the oil and gas industry, the primary concern is dealing with high temperature and high pressure conditions. Pipes often carry hydrocarbons at extreme temperatures and pressures, requiring careful material selection, stress analysis, and compliance with strict design codes like ASME B31.3. Even small design errors can lead to serious safety incidents. In the water industry, the challenge shifts. Here, pipe sizes are often massive, sometimes exceeding standard dimensions. I've personally been involved in designing a 4.3-meter diameter FRP pipe for a wastewater intake system. At that scale, factors like transportation, on-site handling, and joint design become critical. In semiconductor chemical plants, the biggest concern is corrosion. The fluids involved are highly aggressive strong acids, solvents, and ultra-pure chemicals. To handle this, we use a wide variety of anti-corrosion piping materials like PVDF, PFA, PTFE, and CPVC. These materials are often soft and flexible, which limits the spacing between pipe supports. Another headache is the requirement for consistent slope, especially for drainage and chemical waste-lines. Achieving accurate slope while maintaining adequate support and avoiding interferences is a constant challenge for piping designers in this sector. In the mining industry, the key challenge is the abrasiveness of the slurry being transported. These fluids carry solid particles that can wear down metal pipes rapidly. To mitigate this, we often use rubber-lined steel pipes, HDPE, or ceramic-lined systems. But even these need frequent inspection and replacement in high wear zones like bends, tees, and pump suctions. Each industry teaches different lessons. As a piping designer, adapting to the material behavior, process needs, and safety standards of each field is what makes this profession both demanding and rewarding. In my experience, piping engineers in the oil and gas industry typically earn the highest salaries, while compensation tends to be lower in the water industry. However, there's a common misconception that piping design in the water sector is easy. I believe that's far from the truth. In fact, piping design in the water industry can be even more critical. The pipe sizes are often massive, which means every design and construction detail must be precise. A single rework on a large diameter welded joint can cost tens of thousands of US dollars. And the stakes get even higher when the piping is embedded in concrete structures. Once it's cast in, there's no turning back. Any mistake at that stage could lead to serious delays and massive reconstruction costs. So, while it may not look as complex as oil and gas on the surface, water infrastructure demands a high level of foresight, precision, and coordination, making it a deeply challenging and important field for piping engineers.